Hello guys, good morning. It's me again, Ryan, back with another okay day trading recap. I say okay because it was my trade was too quick, so you might not like this. I was done in like I don't know 2 minutes. So sometimes when I do trades like this, I really want to trade more. Even I made my profit, and when I do that, sometimes I end up giving back. So yeah, let's have a quick look on our list before I show you my trades. Yeah, so today we have a lot. It was really scary because we have a lot of movers. So I had to be really careful and be careful which one to pick, and I didn't have a lot of time to pick which ones. So in my list I had, since I prefer trading shorts most of the time because they move faster at the open. So I first looked at the red ones, the gap down list. So MMSI, it was on my list, but it's around 50 million float. So I have to be really careful because this can squeeze. This can really squeeze. Next was W, but the thing is W has like $6 range, and float is like 32.60. So I don't like it when it's above 25% float. It's just really hard to trade sometimes, and ATR is too high. It just makes a really big move on every minute candle. So I had to be really careful. So I picked MMSI and Etsy. Yep, Etsy was good because it's blue. It's above 100 mil. I like that, and it's $2. I like that. So that's when my number one pick. And second was MMSI and WDC. TWLO, I didn't like how it moves, and range is a bit too much. So I kind of picked WDC. HBI, I don't know why I didn't. Oh, it's below 20. That's why I didn't pick HBI. So this one's, I looked at them. No. And I heard KHC did a really good move, but the thing is, I just can't pick all of them. I can only pick three, my best three. So I like MMSI, Etsy, and WDC, and actually they all made a really good move. So yeah, let's have a quick look. So Etsy, as you can see, I was done in just 2 minutes. Entered here, done here. Don't judge me on that, but imagine how much it moved. 44.50, 50 cents, made $1.50. Crazy, right? I was just risking 46.63. So I was risking about, I think I was risking 40 cents here. I think I was risking 40 cents because VWAP is here. So I said, if it's gonna go above here, it's gonna squeeze, right? So I was risking somewhere somewhere here, 40 cents. So like $1.50 move. I took half here, I took another half here, so I'm about like more than 1 hour, close to 2 hour. So should I said, should I take more, or because you have to decide within just 1 minute, right? So I was thinking, should I take out more, take everything off, or have the last one set break even? So sometimes you can't just really decide what to do in just few seconds like this. You have to be really quick, really fast. Your shortcuts should be ready all the time before even the market opens. It's just crazy. So I was actually thinking, since Etsy was my first was my top list, I was actually thinking of shorting somewhere around here, because normally if a stock is gap down, it will squeeze up and it will go back right to my levels here. So eventually it did hit my levels, right? It did reach my levels, but the thing is, even it did reach my levels, it's almost the same as this trade, right? This trade I did, because the move I kind of caught most of the moves. So even I didn't exit here, I'll probably have like small profits. It's just it will just look nice in my in my chart. But the thing is, the amount of profit I will get here is probably almost the same as what I'll get here in the first 2 minutes. That's why I took everything off. And good thing this is the only move it made, because if it made more than this, then I don't know. At least I caught it at the very top, at least. And then right all the way here, I was risking probably 40 cents. So yeah, I mean, if you look at this, you'll probably laugh because, you know, I didn't take profit here on this area, but $1.50 move. What else can you ask, right? So I probably have last 10% here. I probably have most of my profit here because I was partialing aggressively this area. Okay, I need to talk fast. And my second trade was MMSI. I was right. Since I was done and I said, okay, maybe, and I was done and I want to show more trades, which is dangerous. I was like, I wanna have it short here to VWAP. I took some profit here, it bounced back, so I probably have half profit that I was expecting and get out at break even. And yep, it dumped all the way to my line. So I was right. So I was happy with this, even I didn't get majority of the move. I was happy with this because I got a small profit. Even small, I'll take it. Yeah, so another one was WDC. Look at that, right? The reason why I didn't trade WDC at the open is it wasn't moving that much here. It only moved in the fourth candle. So I wasn't really paying attention to it because I was on Etsy and I was done. And I wasn't looking to trade for more, but you know, whoever took this, man, hats off. And I heard like another good move was KHC. Look at that move. But the thing is, even it's gapped up, it's like below VWAP, so I think it'll be harder for me to trade this too long because it's below VWAP. But yeah, I've been talking so much. let's watch my quick trade. I'm not going to fast forward this because I want to show you the real-time trade that I did. So Etsy, I was hoping this will move somewhere here, and this is where I'll probably short it next to VWAP or near VWAP around 47.50, right? So I was looking for 47.50 orders, which is here. I see some. It means, you know, they probably want to short it here as well, but I prefer if it was 3 digits, but there's some few ones here, 47.50, and I was like, it's like a dollar. It's far. It's too far. So I was closely watching it. I was closely watching MMSI as well. MMSI moved up a lot, but it's gapped down, and then it moved about almost $3. Okay, now let's go back to Etsy. It's breaking 46, move 80 cents, right? So this is, I want to show you this green one is 1 ATR, and this is ATR 14. ATR 14 is the default, and I had this to ATR 1, so I know how much it moved entirely on the first minute at the open. So right now it moved 86 cents. So I was like, oh, it moved almost $1 now. So this is dangerous. So maybe I'll wait somewhere here. Yep, this is probably where I entered, I think. Like, and then I was risking probably 40 cents. Let's see what happens. Yeah, there, I got filled really quick, even it's on SSR. So here, yep, 1R. Yep, there you go. 60-cent move. Actually, it moves $1 now. So like when these things happen, sometimes I don't look at the candle anymore. I look at my price where I entered. So I'm 45.90, and I'm looking at this one, at the ask or at the bid. So I know that, and this one as well. So that's why I can decide really quick, is even without looking at the candle. Okay, listen to this. Even I don't look at the candle, the way I decide how much it moves is this one, right? And on my price, which is $45.90, so I'm like $1 away now, right? So I said I need to take profit here now, so that's what I did. I took most of my profit, but it was too quick. So imagine this move almost $1.60, and I was on the very, very top. So if you don't take profit here, I think I'd say you're dumb. Sorry, that was harsh. I'm sorry, that was harsh. But you know what? Sometimes you just have to do it. You should just take it. I was risking somewhere here at VWAP, and you know, if you look at it on what happened after, you'll probably laugh at me, because you know I took profit way too early. But seriously, man, this is. And I was looking at my shares left. I think I have like very tiny shares left, so I was willing to risk it at the break even, and then it squeezed. So I was kind of frustrated because it stopped me. I wanted, you know, to have more move, but I was like, because sometimes when I'm done trading like this, and it frustrates me because I will not have any good entries and exits to show. But I think this is probably good enough. You have to consider this. So yeah, that's about it. Let's look at my other trade. I think I can fast forward this now. And this moves crazy down. Yeah. I think I can fast forward this now. Because yeah, so I think I'm on MMSI. I was actually thinking of shorting MMSI. I think, yeah, that's what I did. There you go. It moved about, I don't know, like risking 22.15. I think it was a really quick profit. I think I got half of my target there. Oh man, yeah, if you look at Etsy here, dump. I mean, I was really thinking of reshorting here, but I just can't do it. When I have my profit already, sometimes I just can't pull the trigger. If I re-entered here, this could be another good move. And yeah, for this 44, just like a $2 move. Here's the risk somewhere here. Man, it's okay. Yeah, so what else? I think that's about it. Yeah, so that's about it. So yeah, if you have any questions, please comment to the video in YouTube, and I'll try my best to respond. And please, if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. I'll greatly appreciate that. Yeah, it's another green day. Woo! It's crazy because I only have one red day for this month. It's crazy. I ended up, let me see if I can show you this. Yep, I don't want to show you, but I will. Yep, for the month of October. Ta-da! Oh, it's not showing. Yeah, so for the month of October, I only have one red day, which is on the 23rd. This one I didn't trade. I think I was really lazy, and this one was Canadian Thanksgiving, and today 31st. I need to upload it. Yeah, it was a good month. Let's see what happens in November. So thank you for all the support, and yeah, have a good one, everyone. Wait, let me show you one more. Let me show you one more. Yep, I'll show you my September. Yep, this is what happens. I also have one red day on September. That's it. I don't want to show you more details because you know people always judge other traders. Yeah, but please be nice to each other. Don't hate. Be positive. And yeah, I will help you out if you're positive and if you're nice. Thank you so much and have a good day, everyone. Bye.